Yes, sir.
I have done it, I have submitted it, but I have a question. The thing is, I made the bed and everything with the holes and everything in between, but it's only allowing me to submit one photo while I was about to submit two. One as the full up of the bed and the other when I removed the mattress.
I'll check again. Maybe some issue.
Because I can only upload one photo and I wanted to upload two. One to show the holes and one to show the whole bed structure.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have submitted the assignment, sir, but in my Tinkercad, sir, joining or sorry, grouping doesn't work in my Tinkercad.
Grouping doesn't work.
Yes, sir. Sir, I've done it by clicking the icon and Control plus G.
Okay. It doesn't work.
Yes, sir.
It should not be the case. I think which browser you are using?
Sir,
Like
this is Chrome.
Chrome on Windows.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do you have a graphics card in your computer? Because I don't have a graphics card and it did not work too good.
I think
That shouldn't matter.
is not necessary for this. It's better you have, but it's not necessary.
Maybe you can share your screen once so that we can see if the process is right or not.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just a minute. I just opened Tinkercad and show.
Okay, till the time he opens up his Tinkercad, anyone else having any doubt? Anything you did not understand about grouping, about subtracting blocks, about adding blocks and grouping them together, or any other doubt about the software? That's good if you don't have doubt, but if you have doubt, clear it right now. This is your chance to get it cleared. We are over here.
I have a question. Are we going to have a quiz this after this meeting too? As I think we are going to have a quiz every week.
Pardon?
Are we going to have a quiz every week? Are we going to have a quiz like after this
Yeah,
meeting? Like,
we are going to have a quiz. We'll be sending the link on mail.
Okay.
Sir, can I share now?
Yeah, you can share.
So you have to make me presenter.
What's your name?
Sir, Pratish Bhatia.
Can you raise your hand? Okay, I got it. Yeah, you are a presenter now. You can share your screen and show the error you're getting.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am an attendee again.
Now you are a presenter.
Sir, can you see my screen?
It's not visible yet, but I think it's loading. No, I can't see your screen. You can try sharing again.
Yes, sir. Sir, it says sharing screen.
Naman, is it visible to you?
Yes, now it is.
Yeah, it's visible now.
Sir, can you see this?
Your screen is still on Microsoft Teams. It has not moved to Tinkercad.
Sir, it'll move, I think.
It's hung.
Sir, now is it visible?
Mehak and Naman, is it visible to you guys?
No, it's
No.
not. It's still stuck on that screen itself.
I think your network is not proper, or maybe it's some problem with your laptop.
Yes, sir.
Acha, while grouping, did you select all the items, all the elements? Or did you just select one element only? Maybe that can be.
Ma'am, nothing was selected. I just dragged my mouse and then selected grouping.
No, so you have to select all the items, right? All the elements. Did you select all the elements? Like if you don't select anything, then it won't
It is
work.
showing everything is selected now. It's showing everything is selected.
Okay, I'll share my screen and show it to everyone again. Okay, I'll show you how to group the things together. I'm turning off my camera so that it's at a better frame rate. So, is the workspace visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm dragging a box and a cylinder. Okay, I'm increasing the size first of both of them, and then I want to group them like this. Okay, so if I want to group, I need to select both of them. Okay, I'm selecting both of them together. Now both of them are selected. Either you can do it by clicking somewhere on the work plane and dragging your mouse while your left button on mouse is clicked, or the other thing that you can do if your mouse is not working or you're not able to do it with your trackpad, you can select one of the item. Okay, press shift on your keypad, then press the other select the other item. This way both of them get selected, and now you just need to click on this group button, or you can press Ctrl plus G. Okay, now I'm pressing Control group button. So now this is combined, and I can see the color has changed to red. The whole color has changed to red. Now this is one item, and I can move it like this. Okay. If I want to ungroup this now, again, either I can press Ctrl Shift G, or I can use this ungroup button, and when ungrouping, it will come back to the original form.
Sir,
I
could
hope
you
it's
please
clear
show again? Sorry.
Okay, so you can select each item by either dragging your mouse like this. Okay, click anywhere on the work plane, keep your mouse button clicked, and then drag. Okay, so that this square covers both the items. This way both the items get selected, and then you can simply group them together. Control G or this button. Before using the group feature, you need to okay, yeah. So it's grouped together, but the color has not changed. Before grouping, you have to select both the items. All right. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now it's grouped. I can move it as a single element. It's grouped now. Okay. I can move it as a single element. Okay. Yeah. So anyone else having any doubt in 3D modeling? Anyone having any feedback about the videos?
Yep.
Sir,
The whole system was very interesting. The holes.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Arav has a doubt.
Sir, when we group them, is there any way that the colors don't change?
Yes, there's a way. I'll just show it to you right now. So here you can see so here you can see the color has changed. Earlier it was red and yellow. The cylinder was yellow. Now I want
Yes,
that color should not change. Okay. Now I'll just click on this solid red color. Okay. I'll click on this color and I'll select multicolor. Okay. When I select multicolor, the original color that was there of each element, that will come on this combined grouped element. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this is still a single entity which is grouped together, but it is multicolored now. It's not a single red color.
Okay, sir. Thank
That
you.
was a good question. Anyone else having any doubt?
No.
You can ask doubts from previous videos or modules also if you want. If you guys have any doubts until now. So
Yes, anything from introduction to robotics, sensors, introduction to Arduino, anything you can ask right now. Okay, is there anyone who has not completed previous week's assignment? Okay, I believe everyone has done. Okay, Diksha. Diksha, are you having a doubt? Diksha, you can speak up. Diksha, you have your hand raised. Do you have a doubt? You can speak up, or if anyone wants, they can write it in chat window. Naman, is chat window visible to you? Because it's not visible to me.
I don't think they'll be able to access the chat.
Okay.
So they'll have
Yes,
to
we will
speak.
not be able to access because we can't link.
Okay. Okay. I thought I was out of the organization, so I was not able to access it. Okay. Anyone else having any doubt?
No, sir.
Is there any question? Any question? It doesn't matter how stupid you think it is or how difficult it is. If you have any question, maybe like what can we do after this or what Anything more be related to the previous week, or maybe what we'll be doing in the next week. Any question, please?
So, sir, after this, will we do Python?
Yes. Next week we'll be starting with Python.
Oh, great. We have to download some software.
No, no, no. We'll do it on an online platform.
Okay.
What is the online platform?
We'll share the details with you in the videos. Don't worry.
Okay, I know
You
like
won't have to do anything specific.
Is it triple?
No, 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 not Ripple. We'll not be using Ripple.
Oh.
Yes, anybody else? Any question?
Okay, is there anyone who has made something innovative on Tinkercad other than the assignment that was given?
I
Yes,
think I've
Arav.
made it. I think I have made it. Let me check.
What did you make?
Let me check. I used to experiment a lot with circuits, so let me check my circuits and see if
No,
there's something.
Tinkercad 3D only.
Okay.
Okay, Arav has his hand raised.
Yeah, I was so in Tinkercad, the 3D designing thing. I was trying to create the Tesla Cybertruck, so it's not fully completed, but I have done most of the parts of the Tesla Cybertruck.
Okay, that's great. Would you like to share your screen and show it to us, or if you want, you can send it in chat. Okay, chat is not available to you. You can share your screen for a minute. I'll make
Okay.
present. I made you a presenter. You can share your screen.
I've also done it in another software.
Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's loading. Just a minute. No, I'm not able to see your screen.
It might be loading because the internet in my end, it's a bit slower than usual, so it might take some time for loading.
Okay, let's see. It's not loading. Arav?
I'll stop share and reshare it. I have reshared my screen, so now is it visible?
It's still not visible. Mehak and Naman, is it visible?
No, it's not visible.
Okay. Okay, maybe in the next session you share your screen and show it to us, or you can send the photo.
Okay, I'll just email the photo to the email ID from which I received the mails of Nucleus, I guess it's Naman's email ID, which is namangoyal1502004. So I'll share it at that email ID so you can.
Naman,
I'll share it with everybody.
is it okay with you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, that's great. I think I saw something for just a millisecond. There was something in orange. Okay. Anyone else having doubt? Diksha, you still have your hand raised. Arif, do you have anything else to say?
No, I just forgot to lower my hand.
Okay.
Anybody else has a question?
Okay, so I think all your doubts are cleared now. Still, if anyone has any doubt, you can speak up, or now we'll end the session and send you a quiz link shortly.
Sir, can we get the result of our last week's quiz?
It must have shown you the result when you were done with your quiz. So
Okay.
okay, if you don't have any other questions, we can leave for the day. So good night, everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Nice guys. Bye bye.
Good night.
I just